Right, just an update. The rear cab welding has now been completed. Just minor filling and priming to do. Started working on I repaired the left hand door. It was actually the base of it wasn't a screw, it was a bent nail, so good bit of improvisation there on site years ago. Started taking off all the flaky paint at the back and using high phosphate primer. Next stage now is to work inside the cab, but can't do a lot now for quite a few days actually, because they forecast bad weather, and I've also got 7 days in a row to work from Friday, so it'll be dribs and drabs early evening depending on weather again. But I wanted to get this far to get this bit watertight for the rain. So it's coming along fine now. Took loads of flaky paint and rust off the back, and what I tend to do, I never like to leave bare metal exposed after any welding or repairs. I like to put primer straight on. So the next thing to do is I got some rubber sealant coming for the sprinkler pump, so I'm going to try something else to improve that. And then basically it's improving the cab. As you can see, it's starting to take shape now, so it'll just be, well, the jobs on this one when I can do it actually, because next week as I say, I'm working a lot of day shifts in a row, so I'm going to be a bit limited to what I can do. But she's taking shape anyway. I got her to where I wanted to be at this time. I wanted to get that left hand door on before I went back to work. So if we do get any bad weather, it will keep the water out of the cab. But she's starting to take shape now. She's squaring it up a bit now. As we've said before, I cut all these bad bits out. These are all the bad bits of metal I cut off. The sliding door, the screw is missing at the bottom. So well, that's one other job I got to do. I've marked out the white marker, just dots. There's 3 holes on this side of the tank and 4 or 5 the other side. I intend to just clean it back to bare metal, pick up some good metal and just build it up with weld and grind it off. I was even tempted to take the tanks off to do it. It would make it a bit easier, but see how it goes with that. It's the last one I did, the bolts were pigs. So with the welding repairs are virtually done. It's just that bit on the windscreen will come out, and I'm going to plate that. Started tidying up all the joints, because of what had happened, the weather had got in here over the years, got behind the skin of the inner skin of the door and on this bit here, the frame, and corroded it and bubbled it out. So what I've done, I've dug all the rust out, treated it, ground it back, filled it, and I'm working my way up the door pillar. We're doing both sides, but as you can see, the door moves nice and easy now. The runner, when you look at my previous video, how bad the space and the runner was, and it's really distorted. So she's sliding nice now, both sides. As I say, I'm just going to chip away now next week, because of work commitments and the weather forecast is not that good. So years till next time, I'll do another update, probably this time next week if I manage to progress inside the cab. But as I say, I can't see me doing a lot next week. But there she is. She's starting to take shape now. and I'm looking forward to getting this old girl back to, well, her new days when she started videos. So I was absolutely delighted with that, to get her back into the original livery at that time. And just I'll obviously do the rolls as well, and clean all the flaky paint off, and yeah, she should be good. She's quite pleased the way she's progressing. So here's to next time.